Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from the Joy of Elf. Welcome back to my last card for this week. I'm so excited that you're here to join me today. I'm going to be using two different stamp sets from the annual catalog. I'm using the Wonderful Moments. I'm going to be using the Bride today. I'm also going to be using the Stitched All Around bundle. I'm going to be using the Enjoy Your Special Day, the Best Wishes. And then I used this framelit or thinlits from this set to cut out a piece of Highland Heather. This is going to be for our sentiment panel. So I'm going to move this to the side. I'm using a piece of the petal promenade. Oh my word. Two pieces, excuse me, for my card base. So let me show you what I've done. So this piece of paper had this frame, and I went ahead and cut it out, and I'm going to be stamping our bride on this paper and coloring her with our Stampin' Blends. Then I loved this marbled piece, or granite, whatever you want to call it. It has a bit of gold running through it. It's just really beautiful. And I cut this down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Don't forget, you can go over to the coordinating blog post to get all the measurements. So let's go ahead and get that adhered. I'm going to be using my stamp apparatus today to stamp my sentiment and stamp my inside card layer, and my bride, you know what I mean. Highland Heather is one of our newest purples in our subtles, and I love it. It's just so pretty. You guys know I'm obsessed with purple, and this one is just a little lighter than my master bedroom, which I love. Okay, let's go ahead and bring in the stamp apparatus so I can stamp. I'll be stamping today using Smoky Slate ink. I wanted something a bit lighter for my sentiments. I am still going to be stamping my bride using, make sure this is going the right way, using Memento so I can color her. Memento ink comes in different colors. Unfortunately, Stampin' Up! Doesn't carry them. But if you have any kind of alcohol-friendly gray, that would work beautifully here. I'm using the old style ink pad, so if you order these ink pads now, they will be in our new style. I haven't replaced mine yet because I just don't feel like it's necessary. But if you are someone that wants everything the same, then I don't blame you. I'm not using the foam that comes with the stamp apparatus because this already has a foam backing. So that's going to be it for that. Go ahead and bring in another plate for my bride. Just pull this one right out. It's one thing that I love about the stamp apparatus is that you can add and change plates. So if you're stamping several different things, you can. I'm going to set this to the side while we get ready to stamp our bride. One thing I'm going to make sure of is that I don't stamp the entirety of her dress because I don't want it to go over. I want it to stay, I want her to stay like right there. So I know that I'm not going to stamp this part. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and mark that with a pen. Oh, I just said you need the mat when you're stamping photopolymer, and here I am not getting the mat. Oh, boot. Boot. You guys have to forgive me. I've got a little bit of a trimmer that I've developed, but it'll be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a piece of washi tape. I'm going to line up with my line right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring in my memento. I'm going to remove the washi tape. Oops. Oopsie daisy. So I've cut a piece of whisper white down to 3/8 inch or 5/8, yeah, 3/8 inch by 1 7/8. I'm gonna stamp the sentiment using smoky slate. Add this using a bit of liquid glue. Make sure it's somewhat even. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. Let's bring in our image. Go ahead and color. I'm gonna color using the bronze, the ivory, bring in some petal pink, some Highland heather. Let's start with her hair. Bring in my color lifter, excuse me. Lift some of that just a little bit. I wish I had some pearls, but I don't think I do. I'm gonna use my bronze, no. Use a gold Sharpie. These are already gold, but I want the golds to match. Okay, while those dry, let's adhere the sentiment panel. Again, using dimensional adhesive. That there. All right, guys, that's it. Oh, we should do some with Stella. A bride needs to be sparkly. There we go. Now that's it. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week. I really hope you appreciate these cards as much as I do. Don't forget, head over to the coordinating blog post where you'll find supplies along with extra pictures and a glimpse at my August specials. Don't forget to make sure you get signed up for my Color Your Season class by placing your $75 order. That includes the Color Your Season bundle. Again, all of that information is linked down below in the coordinating blog post. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Make sure you're following me on social media. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.